Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to be doing a plan with me. I know it's a Tuesday, I'm a little late. I've just had so much going on, so better late than never, as they always say. So I'm gonna go ahead and take you guys along and plan my week out for this week. I'm going to be using the new Simply Lovely sticker book. This is a part of the new spring release that officially will be on the Happy Planners site this Friday, the 8th. Yay, so exciting. I was able to snag this up at Joann's, and I also have this fun florals little tiny sticker pad I'm gonna use, and I might throw in some of this Boss Babe. I just love, this is one of my favorite little sticker collection sets. So we're gonna get right into it. I'm loving these florals and the blues and the pinks this week. I have some washi here that I might incorporate in as well. Let's get right into this. If you guys are new and joining along for the first time, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, join my family. I do all types of planning, cleaning, lifestyle, mommy type of videos here on my channel. If you are joining along for the first time, this was a 2018 planner that I've been kind of revamping and using, and I covered the dates here with some stickers and then laid down the numbers. So I'm all about just using what you have. This was a clearance planner from Hobby Lobby. I think I paid like $2 or less for it, and I'm making it work. So I already laid this sticker down from the book because I think I had it on a previous spread that I ended up not really using, so I loved it. It's so pretty, so I laid that down already. Now I need to go ahead and find something to cover this, since like I said, this is a 2018 planner. This is not the correct dates, so I just cover it for myself. This little pad, if you guys have not seen this, it's so pretty. I'm usually not a florals person, but I don't know, the Happy Planner has definitely like changed my whole outlook on it. Definitely going to be using that since it kind of coincides with this one right there. So pretty. I just can't get over it. So I need to find something to cover over this that's big enough. We'll probably move on into this book and see what we can find. This new book is so beautiful as well. I'm loving it. Now, as far as the new release, I know I'm seeing a lot of girls share the sticker books they found and just talking about, you know, not having to feel like you need everything, because you don't. Look at me. I'm making it work. Making it work for sure. And it's, you don't have to buy everything that there is. Most of this stuff I've already had, and a lot of the sticker books that have came out, not everything has like popped out to me like, oh my gosh, I have to have that. You know, if you get what I'm saying. Only some things. Take the risk. Okay, I think this might be the one. Take the risk or lose the chance. Loving that one. It's not really with that blue, but maybe I don't love that one because it might not fit all the way. All right, we're gonna go back to this one and figure it out. I need to take my sheets out. So yeah, back to what I was saying though, you don't, if you can't get every sticker book there is, you don't need every single sticker book. My collection, over like the past couple of months, I've been able to like find stuff and do better with my whole collection of like sticker books and all that. Before, I didn't have a ton of stuff. I definitely didn't. I like just recently started getting all this stuff, and it just takes time. Get whatever you can. If it doesn't like scream out to you like you have to have it, don't even feel like you need to get it, because you don't. So I just need to find something to cover that. One of these might work better. Get it, girl. Follow your heart. Maybe get it, girl. Is that gonna fit over that? Let's see. I think it will. So see, I just covered that up, and then you'll never know that this was a pre-dated planner before. I really like this, but I think I'm gonna set this over here. See if I can. Ooh, that's crooked. Does anybody else like have to have everything straight? If something's crooked, it like drives me insane. And I have to like fix it. Now the page is coming up. I think I got it. So let's see what else we got going on up in here. This book is so pretty. So pretty. Jot it down. I love pinks and gold. You guys probably know this by now. I really like this one. Let's see where we can place it. Oh, does that, oh, that kind of looks pretty together. Or too much flower, too much flower. Let's see. Find something in here that kind of pops off of it. Be kind, that's pretty. So pretty. I like that one, but I don't want to put floral with floral. How about this one? Lay that one right there. Don't mind Tank in the background. I'm the struggle of being a mom and trying to like find the time, because I feel like I don't have any unless it's like once they're in bed, super late at night. So since my crazy kids are kind of in the background, I'm gonna go ahead and speed up and figure out this layout and then come back at the end and show you guys what I came up with. completed layout. I am in love with the colors. It's giving me major spring vibes, and I'm definitely ready for the spring. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and got some inspiration to go ahead and create a pretty layout for your planner. I wanted to just show you guys the before the pin. Usually I'll show you guys what I got going on for the week, but this time I decided I would just do my layout and give you guys some inspiration to get creative. If you are joining along for the first time, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Join my family here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.